In this video, we'll be talking about how to install and use the Atomic Wallet. What are the benefits of an Atomic Wallet and why you should be installing an Atomic Wallet, and what value will an Atomic Wallet be adding to you, why you should be installing that in comparison to many other good wallets which are available in market. So let's get started. Assalamu alaikum, this is Arfan Aftab and you are watching MANHA Mentor. Before going any further, we'll appreciate if you can consider subscribing the channel and hit the like button. So let's go to the computer screen, and first I will show you how to install and use the Atomic Wallet, and then we will talk about in details why you should be using an Atomic Wallet, what benefit will it add to you. So let's get started. Alright, you can download this straight away from their website. So I will press on the download button, and you can also download it from the App Store or from the Play Store. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be downloading it on the Windows. Let's press download. Thank you very much. I am not interested to subscribe. Okay, the download is complete, so we'll open the file now. Okay, installing in progress. Okay, here we go. See, one of the very good thing about this wallet is it's not asking you for any of your personal details, which clearly means it's not a custodian wallet, it's a non-custodian wallet. So let's, for the purpose of the video, we'll create a wallet. I already do have a wallet, so for the purpose of video showing how to create a wallet, we'll click on create a wallet. It's asking me that you already have a wallet. It does give me a warning message that I am already having a wallet. Do I want to continue? Yes, please. Let's, for the purpose of the video, we'll be choosing some random words. As you can see over here, it's giving us a 12-word backup phrase, and that's the 12 words backup phrase. Personally, I will not prefer to copy it on a computer, physically write it on a piece of paper and keep it safe. But for the purpose of the video, we'll copy on a notepad. Let's press copy. Notepad. So for the purpose of the video, we have done here. Let's open wallet and see. Okay, that's our Atomic Wallet. So as you can see, it's a new wallet, so my balance is 0. From here you can choose what currency you are interested to show the value in. Now let's say you can see the most common cryptocurrencies are in the top. You can see a bunch of cryptocurrencies over here, as well as a lot of tokens. Let's say you click on your Bitcoin. You only have two options, either receive, so that's your public address, Bitcoin public address. If you want to receive this address, you have to give. You can copy and paste on the other wallet or the other exchange from where you want to retrieve your money. And first 4 letters and the last 4 letters, be careful that they are the same. If the address is wrong, you will lose your Bitcoins permanently. So always be careful you do not do such a mistake. And from here, these are transaction details. If you have any transactions, you will be able to see. And there's a price chart, and you can see from here the price chart based on 24 hours, weekly basis, monthly basis, yearly, or all. Okay, and if you click over here on the top right corner, you can see bunch of coins you have, bunch of tokens you have available. What's the main difference between the coins and tokens? Coins are having their own blockchains, whereas tokens, they are utilizing a blockchain of any specific coin type. So that's a less work to do for a token, So they are using a blockchain process of any coin. Mostly tokens are issued for startups and they follow a process of ICO, initial coin offering. Most of them are using for Ethereum because they also help you to provide smart contracts. Okay, let's say you do not want to see these tokens. You can just click on them, and when you apply, they will not be appearing. Let's do for the coins. Let's say I do not want to see Bitcoin. I apply, so you cannot see. And if I want to see it again, I will just click on it, and that's it. Apply. I'll be able to see Bitcoin. If you go on exchange on the left corner, so you can put the value from which cryptocurrency to which you want to exchange, and you can do. And just be careful, there is a network fees which is quite a bit more over here on Atomic Wallet. I will always advise you to go on the exchange. Some of the good exchanges are Binance or Coinbase Pro, and you can do the exchange, but not all type of tokens are supported over there. Yes, there are some tokens which are supported over there, but not all. So some tokens are not directly supported from one coin to straight away to that token. You might have to exchange from one coin to another coin and then to that specific token. So be careful about the network fees charges. And if you want to buy a crypto from anywhere in the world, what type of crypto you want to buy, how much you want to buy for, which currency you are planning to buy in, what crypto you are planning to buy, press on continue and fill your personal details of your credit card, press next, and then you give your address details and you can purchase it immediately. And you can see your transaction history. Now this is a very good feature about Atomic Wallet, about staking. You can actually do the staking without going into the exchanges. And Cardano is a good one. You have Neo over here as well. Tron, Tezos is there, which is good. These are a couple of my favorite ones. Even Atomic Wallet does have its own token, and you get a yearly yield of 20%, which is a lot. So normally with the stocks and shares, if the yield is more, the risk is more. A well-reputed organization who are stable enough will be paying you less in comparison to more risky organizations. So that does not sound very appealing for Atomic Wallet token to me personally. Compared to Cardano, which is a bit more established, it's 5%. So that's your choice. Do some research before definitely going into these details. And then you go into settings. Honestly, for membership, I'm not interested in spending some money on that. You can check out further details from their website if you are interested in it. If you're interested in buying the Atomic Wallet coin, you can directly take it from Binance. So for that, let's say you have to convert your Bitcoin to Binance, BNB, and then you can go for the AWC. And then if you're interested in Atomic Wallet coin, you can do it from here. But you cannot directly buy from Bitcoin. You have to first convert your any other currency to BNB, and then you can go for AWC. Airdrops, well, it was a good thing, but now they have temporarily suspended it. You can keep an eye. Maybe in the future, if they reopen it, you can benefit from it. And that's about security. You can change your password over here. And your private keys, 12-word backup phrase fee. That's for your support. And let's go to the website and we'll share with you some of my opinions about Atomic Wallet. What's special? What is special about Atomic Wallet? Well, as per them, they are mentioning three things. It's a secured wallet, it's a decentralized wallet, and it is anonymous. And it is anonymous. Anonymous. But how do you say it? It's hard. Anonymous. Okay. When you say secured, it's a non-custodial wallet, which most of the wallets are. So of course they are secured, because these companies are not going to have any such sort of accountability if you lose your money, because they are providing you a seed phrase. So once they provide you a seed phrase, they are free. You are in control of it. You have the password. So only if you are losing or somebody is taking a password from you, you can lose your money. I personally think that is not something special about this wallet. It says decentralized. Not all of them are decentralized, but this is also not a special thing. It's about your choice, what wallet you prefer. There are many other good wallets in the market. They are also like it free. But this one is also a good wallet and easy to use. The last one is, again, hard word. The last one is anonymous. The last one is anonymous, which is good. It does not ask you any details. But again, some wallets does have that feature, so it's okay. What's special about this wallet is taking coins. You can stake directly from the wallet, and anytime you want to unstake it, anytime you want to stop staking, you can do that as well. So this is some good feature in this wallet if you are interested in that. But if you are directly converting from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency in this wallet, the charges are high. It allows you to keep many tokens. This wallet is a house for many tokens and many type of cryptocurrency, so that's a good thing, and it might increase in the future. Overall, this is a pretty good wallet, but you cannot say it is the only best wallet. There are many other good wallets. So all what matter is what types of coins you are interested in, or your main aim is to invest in a coin and keep it one place safe. So it depends upon your choices. If you are a person who likes staking, but not from the exchanges, directly from the wallet. So basically you have to decide, is it best suited for your specific need? If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so that you will receive notification of latest videos as soon as they are published. Thank you very much. Bye for now.